Good morning.
Hey, good morning. We've got upper 20s this morning. Not a bad start. A lot better than what it's going to be tomorrow morning, and I'm kind of excited to show you the map. We've got single-digit air temperatures ahead for us late tonight with wind chill values well below zero. In some spots as cold as -20 tomorrow morning for a wind chill, not an air temp. Right now, again, it's not too bad. You've got temps running anywhere from 25 to almost 30. It's 29 at Midway, 27 at the lakefront, and 28 at O'Hare. Everybody within 3 degrees of that number. Mostly cloudy here early on with temps making it to the low 30s today. Full forecast, it includes some flurries here through your morning, a little snow this afternoon as well. We'll get to it all in just a few minutes. First, a check of your road. We've got 20s around here this morning with temperatures anywhere from about 25 to almost 30 degrees. Your mildest there at Midway, but not a big range in temps here. 29 Midway, 28 O'Hare, and 27 at the lakefront in the city. Lowest temperature 25 Rensselaer and 26 in places like DeKalb, McHenry, and Valparaiso. Winds are out of the west here, running up to only 8 miles per hour. These are going to increase here today, and we'll get into real gusty winds here, especially by the afternoon, overnight, and into at least tomorrow morning. It does look to settle by tomorrow afternoon. Let me show you what's headed our way. You've got a couple of light snow showers expected here and there in our southwestern sections this morning. This area of snowfall, most of it passes to our south, but LaSalle County may get clipped with a little bit of that. Flurries for the rest of us through the morning before a line of snow moves in this afternoon. This is that snow that I just pointed out on the radar that clips some of our southwestern sections. This is about 10 a.m. Otherwise, flurries for a few of us this morning. Line of snow showers moves in basically from west to east, and while it doesn't amount to a whole lot, it looks like kind of a quick, heavy snow. So you're only getting a couple tenths of an inch out of this, maybe a half inch in 1 or 2 spots. Excuse me, not much, but it should fall heavily and reduce your visibility greatly with gusty winds. So just a heads up, once you're driving through that, it will be tough. 31 degrees today, dropping afternoon temperatures, so we should hit our high closer to about likely between about 1 and 2 p.m. before things start to crash all the way down to 3 degrees for tomorrow morning. -5 to -20 feels like temps tomorrow morning. Tomorrow only 17 degrees and then 31 by Friday. Back to you. Midway and in Joliet, 27 at the lake, 28 O'Hare, 26 McHenry and Valparaiso. Not much to look at in terms of your winds yet. They will pick up today. These are going to be sustained as high as even 25 miles per hour, gusting up to about 35 here this afternoon. That's with some snow that's on the way. First this morning, this little area of snow clips parts of LaSalle County, eventually parts of Grundy, Will, Kankakee. Should not amount to a whole lot. Again, a couple tenths of an inch, but you do get clipped with that. Otherwise, a line of snow showers arrives as we get into your afternoon hours, and we're looking at that in the city closer to about 2-3 o'clock, far west around 1 o'clock. Let's talk temperatures. I showed you the snow a few minutes ago, my last hit. So this afternoon, this is around noon, 1 o'clock. You're in the low 30s, around freezing, and then temperatures should dramatically drop off today. You've got 20s expected by 4 o'clock, teens by even 5:30, and then single-digit air temps by tomorrow morning. This is tomorrow around 6:30 in the morning. Everybody above zero, but just barely 4 degrees at O'Hare at that point, and we make it to the teens tomorrow afternoon. Plus, on top of that, you've got strong winds moving in with that snow this afternoon, so that's going to significantly impact the chill. 5:30 this afternoon, evening, 8-degree wind chill expected in Chicago. So we're in the single digits already at that point. And notice tomorrow morning, these run anywhere from -5 to as cold as -20 possible. Though likely most of us about -5 to -15 for feels like temps tomorrow morning. They do rebound back to above zero by tomorrow afternoon as winds start to settle. 31 today, 17 tomorrow, 31